Welcome back. In this video, we will be reviewing the Reports tab and what you can see from the report list. To get there, we will navigate to Reports, then Report List. So as you can see, there are a number of reports that you can review in the left-hand side tab. Each report will show you different things which can be used to help you plan for your business. So if we review the reports that you can view, the first one here is under membership. So the first area here is around active members. This is going to show you all of your active members. This is going to be anybody who is on a membership that has a start date in the past and the expiry date in the future and is not paused. Active credit packs is going to show you all of your currently active credit packs. You'll be able to review which credit packs are most popular, as well as the active credits remaining. So this will allow you to see who has active credit packs and how many credits they have remaining on their account, as well as the expiry date. The next is memberships. This is going to show you a breakdown of the various different memberships that you have in the system. By clicking on the drop-down arrow here, you can see the various different plans within memberships. For example, unlimited classes, 8 classes per month, and the 4 classes per month. Membership signups are going to show you recent signups on the system. So this will allow you to change the time that you wish to view. So if you wish to view everybody in the last month, you can see this by clicking on the month section here. Again, year and custom. Expiring members will show you the upcoming expiring members for the given period. So the next 7 days, the current month, the current year, and you can also choose custom. The next set of reports are around performance. There are 2 options here, trainer performance or class performance. Trainer performance is going to allow you to see what performance is relating to each of your trainers that you have in the system. This is going to be shown on time period as well, so 7 days, month, year. So as we can see here, Gillian Matthews in the system has the most classes, and her performance breakdown is here. So you'll be able to see her class name as well as how many people have attended and booked each of these. Again, you can further break this down and dive even further in based around times. So if you want to see which trainer is performing on which days, you'll be able to see this in this area. Class performance then is going to show you the performance of classes. So again, you can break this down over time. So if we want to look and see over the next month which classes perform the best, you will be able to do so. Again, the drop down will show you the further breakdown against the times that are most popular. Activity then is going to show you relating to activity to members. So first bookings, this one is a great one to see what your upcoming first event bookings are. So this will help you engage with those new members that you have coming into the system. Late cancellations, this one is important for monitoring this particular event and making sure that there are no late cancellations occurring in your account. If there are, you will be able to take action on those late cancellations. As you can see, our studio doesn't have any cancellations in the last 7 days or in the last month. However, in the year, there have been some. So you can click in here and take action on these particular customers that have had late cancellations. If you wish to add a custom charge, you absolutely can. No-shows then are going to show you the number of people that have not shown up to particular classes. This can be a problem, so it's important to keep an eye on this particular report if this is an issue in your particular studio. Finally, relating to revenue, failed payments and transactions. Failed payments are going to show you the failed payments for the last period of time. Again, it's one to keep an eye on. However, this system will allow you to keep a track of these on an ongoing basis, and any failed payments that are processed in the system will be notified to you. Transactions then is going to be a full list of all transactions that have occurred of the past period, so 7 days, month, year, etc. You'll be able to download this list by utilizing the download button in the right-hand corner. As you can see, the breakdown shows the method, the amount, the status, such as if it was refunded or not, or if it wasn't paid, and the items, the line item, and the person that made the purchase. That's all in terms of the report list video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for listening.